Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at the difference between high key and low key mono pictures taken with Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra camera. So first let's return back to the home screen. From here I will launch the camera app. To take low and high key mono pictures you need to swipe across and select portrait. Then tap on the effect button. At the top here, I will first start with a high key mono. Now I will point the camera at the subject and I will take a shot. Next, I will apply low key mono and I'll take another pictures here. Low key. Okay, so this is the low key pictures taken on the Galaxy S26 Ultra. If I swipe across, this is a high key with a very high strength. This is a lower strength. So you can see here, the higher the strength, the more white background I have. So a lower strength will reduces the white background effect. So this is high key mono and low key mono. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.